Hey everyone, today we're going to learn about the snapshots. As the other day we learned about EBS volumes. So with respect to EBS volumes, so the next topic is a snapshot. So everybody can assume most snapshot is nothing but a backup, data backup. So EBS volumes we can take as a backup by using a method called snapshot, which was provided by AWS. Basically, snapshot is like it's a volume of copy from the point of time, and it's only the incremental, like the delta, the small portion of the change, whatever is there, it will be stored as a snapshot. So I mean from EBS volume we can create a snapshot, and that again we can convert as a volume 2. Let's say one EC2 machine is available in one of the zone called A, and I want that volume to be the EBS volume I need to be transferred to the zone B. So the only way what we can do is convert that to the snapshot and copy to the zone B, and there convert as a volume, and it will be tied to the EC2 instance there can be used. And whatever snapshots we're going to create, we can see it from EC2 console. And snapshot is particularly it's a regional, and so far we learned about what is snapshot. And snapshot by default is a private, and it is only respect to that application or the requirement what we're going to do that. And comes to the governance, the lock, basically locking the data, it's called governance. There are like compliance and general governance. So general governance is like in particular period of time it will be locked, but we can open in between any time. Whereas compliance, if I lock for a particular period of time, I won't be able to allow to open that particular period is over. That respect to the snapshot logs. And comes to the different types of snapshot types available for EBS. So there are like a standard tier and archive tier, and standard is nothing but as usual everyday usage. The data which is not useful and which is not frequently accessed kept into the archive tier. That archive tier, if I want to get the data from archive tier, it might take 24 to 72 hours. And this, let's say you assume the data is accidentally deleted, I need to recover. In that case, we can go that snapshot route as a recycle bin, where I can enable a property as a soft delete, so that I can recover from the data. And the retention period is like 1 day to 365 days. It could be, yeah. And when it comes to the snapshot, it's all like becoming, on the EBS volume, we need to convert that to the snapshot, and again that we can convert as a snapshot. When it comes to the encryption, generally no encryption will be provided in the snapshot, but if the data is already encrypted, whatever snapshot we're going to convert, that will be converted as a snapshot also encrypted. If no encryption is there, no encryption. And all the encryption keys will be managed by Amazon KMS, like a key management services, is the one which handles the encryption. Thank you. I will meet for the next video for another topic.